brain.
Don't say we can't, oh, just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, your full.
Alright guys, so lately I haven't used the car. I have been taking a break from social media and from cars and from everything pretty much. I just been playing games, playing golf, playing my guitar, my Rubik's Cube, anything but social media and cars. So I got a bad lifter. I'm pretty sure of it, but the car, I've been giving it hell for the past 4 years. So I think it's time to get a rebuild. So today, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take the engine out, and well, first let's take the heads off. I want to see what the cylinders look like, and if they look like it's time for a rebuild, then I'm gonna yank the engine out and we're gonna rebuild it. That's what we're doing.
'Cause we both know one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, might say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end. We both know that one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, might say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end. Clear, bright brain. You're so far off, oh, it's like you can't see ahead. These feelings you've caught don't make sense. Your plan's gonna flop. You keep raising doubts without cause. All you feel is dread. My logic is fair. If it's pain, it's ever gonna stop. 'Cause we both know that one day he's not gonna cry again. Without doubt, might say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, 'cause this ain't the end. sun's gonna rise again, so don't pout.
I mean, so I'm done. Probably about an hour and a half later. I didn't find a bad lifter like I thought I was gonna find like last time. One of them has a little blade that I don't know if it's that bad. I'm still gonna replace them all, but the one thing that I found that is bad, and I'm gonna have to take the engine out because of it, because I don't want to put it back like that. Two things. One, this cylinder, it has a really bad. Let me put the light right on it so you can see. You see this mark right here? It's like a washout mark, and my nail catch up in there pretty bad. So because of this, I'm thinking I'm going to take the engine out. Probably bore it and hone it. I don't know yet. I'm gonna talk to the machine shop first and see what they say. If we can just hone it, then I'm just gonna hone it and put new rings on it and send it. But if it's too much where they think they're gonna have to be bored out and get oversized pistons and all that, then I'll do that. Aside from that, I mean, all the other cylinders have just the normal wear. I don't see anything else. The cam looked pretty good. The lifters, I couldn't find a really bad one like the last time. And even the valves, the last time they were like really chew up pretty bad. This time they look pretty good. I might still get them off just to replace the valve seals on it, because I was getting some smoking from revving the car at like a high RPM. So I wanna see. Ooh. I just find myself my noise. Yeah. Find myself the noise. This second, actually the last one, valve spring right there. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Hold up. Let me get a better light. Can you see that right there? Valve spring broke. The inner valve spring broke. I knew there was something wrong. It wasn't the lifters like I thought. This time the valve spring broke off. So that was the noise. Yeah. Let me see if I can get better view. It's right there. Well, I'm glad I found that. I was still gonna find it because I was gonna replace the valve spring. I mean the valve seals, but I'm happy that I took it off and I didn't run the car anymore after I started hearing that noise, because that would be so much worse. So I'll be able to save this engine. Next thing is gonna be yanking the engine out. I didn't have time today. I'm already running out of sunlight and it's getting cold. It's still winter, so that's it for today. All the fun. This is where the fun begins. I'll see y'all around.